Alright, today we're going to be looking at sorting and filtering. Sorting and filtering. So this is usually used during when you're working with large data sets. So let's get into it. Now, sorting has to do with from you know rearranging or resetting your data sets either from a descending order of an alphabetical order, either descending or ascending order. Let's take for example name. This contact now this is sales data set. We have order number, quantity, price, order, sales, sales made, order date, status, quantity, city, state, country, territory, contact last name, contact first name, this deal size, and that's it. So let's say for example we want to sort, and we want to sort based on ascending order from A to Z. So we are going to highlight this cell. Now the reason why I'm not highlighting it from the top is because I've already made this image and center, or rather I've made it first row. So this is better that I start with this, then Control Shift, then arrow down, then up here, that is under the home tab, you see sort and filter. Click on that, then either filter, or now I want to sort from A to Z. Let me see the list of names I have. I say, what do you want? Is it expand the selection or continue with the current selection, so that it will reflect on the other column? That's what this is means. So now look at what I have from A. So we have this name, Asati, then last name Paolo, Asauti Paolo or Akoti Paolo, whichever way it is pronounced. So that is sorting. That is sorting from ascending order. Now I can decide to sort based on from descending from the lowest, from the Z to A rather. So either descending or ascending. Now let's try that. Expand selection, yes, sort. So you can see it's giving me U, Y. So we have U. So go back to what we have before. We have this. So that's about sorting. This is the original form. So let's sort again. So basically that's about sorting. So let us move to filtering. Now filtering is when you try to get some, or maybe in a list of different names, you want to get a particular name, or where those, or where a particular name appeared. So for example, we have city here, we have state. Now I can decide to, and country, I can decide to filter by USA. I want to see the total number of sales made either in USA or from USA. So let's try that. All I need to do is just come here under the home tab, you come to the editing part, then you click sorting and filter, then you click filter. This will give you a drop down menu, a drop down bar to show you all the list of countries here. So I'm going to I'll select all, that is unselect all, then locate USA. Because I want to filter using USA. All I want to see is all the sales made in USA or from USA. Now that's what I, so you can see we have USA auto. Yeah. So this is giving me all the sales made in USA. This is the to help you work with data with speed and with ease. Because if you don't do that, if you don't filter, if there's no filtering option, you have to look at the name one after the other. And just imagine you having over 2,000 rows. You look at the stress that you have to pass through to attain that. So, but then to make it easier, you use filter, as I've just done. So I just filter USA. Like I decided to filter more, filter Australia. You can filter two as like pick two values. It will return all the two values you picked. But now I want to look at Australia. You can see I have Australia. Yes, I have filter two of Australia. So basically that's that on sorting our filter working with that data set.